We've got an issue today involving a tractor trailer. The tractor trailer specialists are here. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Boy, this is in your wheelhouse.
Oh yeah, this one, yeah, we could do this one.
Right in the sweet spot.
We got this one.
All right, so here's the setup. Let's talk to one of our viewers, and we're going to see what Victor in Dunmore has to say. Victor says, I drive a tractor trailer, and it tipped over. I didn't pack the load. What can I do? So Victor seems to think the load was packed improperly.
Yeah, so Victor, so in every single solitary, tractor trailer case, you're going to get a piece of paper. It's going to be called a bill of lading. So the first thing that, as the driver, you're going to want to do, that bill of lading is going to identify who the shipper was on that particular case. And it's also going to identify whether it's a sealed load or not a sealed load, and that's really going to tell you who packed it. So you're going to be able to find out who packed it from that, from that bill of lading. This is called a load shifting case. Loads have to be packed in a manner that prevents them from the weight shifting, so that if you're going around the corner, obviously it's not unbalanced and it tips over. We've had a number of these cases. So the case is going to be against whomever packed that load and did it incorrectly.
These are good cases. You need to get an attorney involved ASAP, because as soon as that rig tips over, I can assure you, the employer, the trucking company, have people out there preserving the evidence, doing what they need to do to cover their legal perspective of the case. And, so we want to make sure we cover yours for you. So.
Absolutely. Now, let's say someone gets into an accident. I know you guys recommending acting fast all the time, document the evidence that you can get. But if they need to, they can call you and reach out online.
Yeah, we have a rapid response team. We get them out within hours. We get experts, all kinds of people out to do what they need to do.
Yeah, and it's the last thing that people are thinking about in a situation like this, but you really need to be very proactive. You need to be aggressive in protecting your rights, because, as Greg said, they're going to be out there covering their legal basis. The language choice was very interesting, but you really need to get on it immediately.
All right, don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You Hotline are there for you.